Here, how many integers satisfy the compound equality in the answer's A then? Now, so that's a question for here. Now, remember, in the previous one that we have, the answer would be x is less than equal to 2 and x is less than equals to 13 then. Now, for this one to find out the answer, since we're going to satisfy the numbers down here, let's go try to write out between then all those numbers then. So we know that x is less than equals to 2. So we can start out with 2 up and x is less than 13 then. So that's going to be out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, only 12 then. Now, try to find out here. Now, let's go count at them here. So that's going to be about, so we're going to use our formula here for us. We have last minus first, then plus 1 then. So that's 2. Oh, that's 12 minus 2 plus 1. That's going to be about 11 of them. So the answers that we have here is equals to 11. So there's about 11 integers. All right. Okay, so